I mean, you can go miles offshore going for a big fish and not catch anything, but I just love getting these ones. Am I recording? I am recording. Lovely. Woo! Welcome back, folks. Out here fishing again. I was going to go deep water for big calamari. I might do that later on. It's just a bit windy and a bit, I don't know, I just don't feel like heading off too far offshore. So I'm just in the close grounds and going for my favourite fish. It's a bit of a theme the last couple of weeks. That's the big KG whiting. You know the deal. Simple paternoster rig, 2 hooks, bit of squid, cuttlefish for bait, red tubing, overboard, drifting over weed and sand patches. The water is supremely clear, so I'm really sure we're going to get a couple today. Okay, so I fish on. Oh. Now these KGs. Oh, he came off. That's all right. I'm glad I found him, but he came off. I think I might anchor up because the wind is just too strong, and I think there's a couple out here, so bugger. Here we go, nice KG. See him come up to the surface. This is a big one. Here's a big one. No chance this time. I got him in the net. Yeah, I love it. I mean, I've caught so many of these before, but I just love them. I mean, that is a prize. That is a prize fish. You know? Absolutely privileged to come out and get these beautiful fish. I love it. You beauty. Oh, here we go. This one's got weight again. I keep on saying I got weight, but I can really feel it. Oh, you know why? Because I got. Oh man. Oh, of course, double. Oh, and not just small doubles. These are giants. Oh, one came off. Holy moly. Holy moly. I mean, you can go miles offshore going for a big fish and not catch anything, but I just love getting these ones. Lovely. Woo! Yeah, so straight away. What do I got? Another KG. Another thumper one. Lovely. Lovely. There you go. Little burley trail, just a very small burley trail, and there's a lot of herring. Also some garfish down there, which I'm surprised to see. They have a ban on the garfish, but there's thousands of them out here. Oh. Whoa! 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 We've got another double banger. Oh man, show you in the water. And double, it's actually a nice weight. Well, I think one came off, mucking around too much. There you go. Lovely. Perth. Oops. Okay, mate. Lovely. There you go. See, straight away. Straight away. Straight away. Oh, there's another big one. Another big one. Woohoo! Oh. Fine specimen. This is not a kidney slapper, this is a face slapper. There you go. Oh. Yep. 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 Lovely. Lovely. Helter skelter fishing. Alright matey, alright. There you go, see him go. Woo! Woo-hoo! Okay, GoPro cam. There straight away, bang bang, bang bang. Yeah. Yep. Oh. What have we got? Double. Oh, right, red mullet and a nice big KG. Look at that, lovely. Red mullet KG. Glory days. Oh. I just got a calamari too, or a squid or some sort, on the hand line. Small one. Mate, talk about fisherman's basket. It's all happening out here today. Lovely. Lovely. Oh, there you go, another one. It must be just schooling up around here. I don't know if the camera at the bottom is going to show that. Everyone loves underwater shots. We're probably on the wrong side of the sun, but this one here is on the right side of the sun for me. Yep. G'day mate, g'day everybody. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is probably a double because again it's got some really good weight. Gotta really pump them up. Yeah, another double. Oh man, it's gonna be a short fishing trip. I'll be getting my limit very close now. Alright, there you go. Beautiful fine specimen. There are size limits on these things, which are 30 centimetres, and these are well over 30. You know, they're 40 centimetre kg. Beautiful. You won't believe it. I got a cuttlefish trying to check my GoPro. Only cage there, and oh, it's unbelievable. That is crazy. That is just absolutely crazy. He's going for my GoPro. I can't believe it. He's gone now. He probably realises the GoPro's too big to catch. You got to enjoy this kind of life. When you go fishing, enjoy it as much as possible. You just never know when the good weather comes back again, especially for Monday to Friday people that can only go fishing on the weekend. Good luck. Oh yeah, big ones. There you go. Lovely. I think I got myself a squid or some sort. Lovely. Hey, not bad. On the drift. Actually, I'm not drifting. I'm on the anchor and I still catch calamari. Can't go wrong today. Lovely. Okay, so now it's calamari time. Nothing special, my usual jigs. Got my favourite one. It's probably a bit heavy in this shallow water, but I'm on a medium drift, so it should be okay. I'm going to try out another jig. First time ever keystone on the boat. It's a V2, so it's an extra deep one. Let's see if this one catches any. I keep bragging about keystones here, keystones there. Let's see if it works. Lovely. Beautiful. Oh, done the job straight away. Nice pink colour. Very shallow water. I'm using probably jigs that are too deep, but that did the trick. Lovely. Oh, stonker here. Yeah, stonker. good drift rate. Just moved it around, he's come up to the surface. I don't know if it's a cuttlefish or squid, calamari. No, definitely a calamari. Awesome. There he is. Alright, he's just on too. Just on. Lovely. Cool. Lovely. Big one. They're really close, so I'm quite surprised big ones are coming in. Close. Ah. Come on. Beautiful. Oh, he's a cuttlefish. I knew that because he just was too heavy. Oh, he came off. That's alright, I didn't want to keep him anyway. But this one here's on. I reckon he's a cuttlefish as well. No, he's a squid. Calamari, not squid. There we go. Is he? Oh no, he's a cuttlefish, a small one. No, okay. There you go. Looks a cuttlefish. Okay, mate. And this one here, mate, you're lucky day. Not my lucky day. Okay, so I've just quickly cruised over to the sand whiting patch. I reckon there's a couple here. And yeah, look, straight away, sand whiting. They're not big ones. I will throw them back. I'm only going for the big ones. Awesome. Might anchor up because it's quite drifty, quite windy. Get a couple of big ones. There you go. It's nice bad whiting. There could have been two because it was actually quite heavy. I was just getting worried because there's a dolphin coming towards me. Might be two whiting or one whiting. Okay, I see two of them. Beautiful, sand whiting. Lovely. Good size. Happy. There you go. See a bit of colour. Yep. Little sand whiting. I caught a few others before, I didn't have the camera on. So that's what I'm going for. And I'll be heading off pretty soon because this wind is just getting too much. But anyway, a few more. We'll see you next time. Take it easy.